Hello students, how are you? Today we shall study chapter 10th of standard 9th. The chapter name is circle. I shall try my best to clear the concept regarding circle. Okay? Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share the video if you like it. Okay? Let's start the video. Before starting the theorems, first of all, we shall try to clear the concept regarding each and every point of circle. Okay? First of all, we shall learn what is circle. You know, this is a circle. Actually, I have not a compass. I am drawing it by hand only, so it's not so much round, but assume it that it is a circle. And the point just in the middle of this, where we put the compass. In order to draw a circle, we put a compass on paper. The point, this point is called the center of the circle. जहां हम लोग प्रकाल रखते हैं वृत्त खींचने के लिए, सर्कल खींचने के लिए, उस पॉइंट को सर्कल का, उस पॉइंट को सेंटर कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? सेंटर कहते हैं. ये समझ में आया? अब देखिए, वेयर इज दिस पॉइंट? दिस पॉइंट इज इन आउटर साइड ऑफ द सर्कल, एक्सटीरियर रीजन. दिस पॉइंट is located in the exterior region. Exterior region, you understand? Exterior region. This point, interior region. Okay? And this point, and this point, and all of this point lie on the circle. This point is said to be in the exterior of the circle. This point is said to be interior of the circle. And these points are located on the circle. Okay, this is clear. Just take a point on the circle. Suppose that this point name is B. Okay, if we draw a line segment from the center to this point, then this is called radius. This is called radius. The line joining the center and any point on the circle is called the radius. सेंटर पर एक पॉइंट लेंगे, सेंटर का पॉइंट, सेंटर पर एक पॉइंट है O, और सर्कल पर ये जो सर्कमफ्रेंस है इस पे कोई भी पॉइंट लेंगे, इसको जो मिलाएंगे तो जो लाइन बनेगा उसको रेडियस कहेंगे. क्या कहेंगे? रेडियस. और इसको R से डिनोट किया जाता है. किससे डिनोट किया जाता है? R से. ठीक है. अब चलिए, रेडियस हम लोग समझ गए. अब हम लोग रेडियस समझ गए. अब हम लोग कॉर्ड समझेंगे. कॉर्ड. व्हाट इज कॉर्ड? ओके, सपोज दिस इज अ सर्कल. टेक एनी 2 पॉइंट्स ऑन द सर्कल. 2 पॉइंट लेना है सर्कल पर. मान लीजिए ये पॉइंट ए है, एक और पॉइंट कहीं ले लीजिए, लेकिन सर्कल पर होना चाहिए. सपोज दिस इज द पॉइंट बी. if we join these points, then the line segment is formed. This line segment AB is called the chord of a circle. What is called? Chord of a circle. सर्कल पर 2 पॉइंट ले लें, कहीं भी ले लें, उसको मिलाएंगे तो जो लाइन बनेगा उसको हम लोग कॉर्ड कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? कॉर्ड कहते हैं. ठीक है, कहीं भी ले सकते हैं. ये इसको मिला देंगे, ये भी कॉर्ड हो गया. ये इसको मिला देंगे, ये भी कॉर्ड हो गया. इट मीन्स दैट वी कैन ड्रॉ इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ कॉर्ड्स इन अ गिवन सर्किल. यानी कि इस सर्किल में ऐसे बहुत सारे कॉर्ड्स ड्रॉ किए जा सकते हैं. एक सर्किल में बहुत सारे कॉर्ड्स हो सकते हैं. ठीक, यहां तक समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, तो अब चलिए, अब हम लोग समझेंगे कॉर्ड समझ में आ गया। Now we shall study about arc. What is arc? Okay. Suppose this is a circle. We take 2 points A and B on the circle. Then the part of the circle that comes between these 2 points A and B, the part of the circle, this part of the circle, let me draw it singly. This part of the circle is called arc. Okay. If we take 2 points on a circle, 2 arcs will be formed. How much arcs? 2 arcs. This arc will be a larger arc from here to here. You can see from here to here, this arc is larger, and from here to here, this arc is smaller. Then this larger arc is called major arc, and the smaller one is called minor arc. This is clear? Now we have got the concept of arc. What is arc? Arc समझ में आ गया? तो चलिए अब हम लोग अगले टर्म पे चलते हैं। आर्क के बाद हम लोग देखेंगे सेक्टर। सेक्टर किसे कहते हैं? व्हाट इज सेक्टर? ओके, सपोज दिस इज अ सर्कल, दिस इज द सेंटर, वी कैन ड्रॉ टू रेडियाई इन दिस सर्कल। 2 रेडियस हम ड्रॉ करते हैं। मान लीजिए एक पॉइंट हम यहां ले लेते हैं ए, इसको ड्रॉ कर देंगे तो एक सर्कल, एक रेडियस ये हो गया। ओके, एक और पॉइंट ले लेते हैं बी, इसको मिला देंगे ओ को और बी को, तो एक रेडियस ये हो गया। ओके, ये समझ में आ रहा है? तो दोनों रेडियस के बीच में ये जो एरिया बन रहा है, ये जो पार्ट बन रहा है, इसको हम लोग सेक्टर कहेंगे। क्या कहेंगे? सेक्टर। द एरिया बाउंडेड by the 2 radii and the corresponding arc. Corresponding arc means this one, this arc is called a sector. इसको अलग बना के देखते हैं। This is center, this is the radius, and this is the circumference. Okay, this is called sector. So if there are 2 sectors here, 2 sectors are formed over here. One is larger one, this one is larger one, you can see from here to here. That is called major sector. And this smaller one is called minor sector. Okay, now we have got the clear concept of sector. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in comments. I shall try my best to clear your concept and doubts regarding all these terms. Okay, the next term is segment. What is segment? Suppose this is a circle, okay, and this is point A and this is point B. If this is joined, then this one is called chord. You know what I have explained to you, chord, about chord. If we take 2 points on the circle and we join those points, then the line segment formed is called chord. This line segment AB is chord. Okay, and the area between the chord and the corresponding arc, this is arc, you know, this is arc, the area bounded between the area formed between the bounded between this chord and this arc is called segment. ओके, सेगमेंट समझ में आ गया? कॉर्ड खींच दिए और ये आर्क है, कॉर्ड और आर्क के बीच में ये जो एरिया बन रहा है इसको हम लोग सेगमेंट कहेंगे। इसमें भी दो सेगमेंट हो जाएगा, छोटे वाले को माइनर सेगमेंट कहेंगे, दिस वन इज कॉल्ड माइनर सेगमेंट, and the larger one, this one, it is called major segment. Before starting the theorem, we shall have to keep these points in your mind. What are segment, what is sector, what is chord. Okay, now all the concepts are clear, I hope so. All the concepts are clear. If you have any kind of doubt regarding these points, these terms, you can ask any question in the comment. Okay, I shall try my best to solve your resolution. Okay, now let's come to theorem 10.1. Okay, today we shall prove theorem 10.1. Okay, let's start. According to theorem 10.1, equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Okay, in order to prove this theorem, first of all we shall draw a circle. Okay, suppose this is a circle and this is the center O. Okay, now we shall draw two chords. Okay, and those chords should be equal, because in theorem it is said that equal chords, two chords that are equal, two chords, we shall draw two chords. I have already explained you the term chord. In order to draw a chord, just take 2 points on the circle. Suppose this point A and this point B. Okay, join these points. This is one chord, this is a chord, the name is AB. Okay, here we have to draw one more chord. Then take one more point, here take point C, and suppose this is the point D. Join these points, this is another chord, the name is CD. Okay, understand? Now we shall write that what is given. What is given? C O R in COR. Let me take some space here. In COR. This COR, C is related to circle. C denotes circle. C means circle. O is the center and R is the radius. It means that there is a circle whose center is O and radius is R. Okay. In COR, we have what is given? Two chords that are equal. Then we can write AB is equal to CD. It is given. Okay. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. हिंदी में समझाते हैं, अगर दो कॉर्ड हैं, किसी सर्कल में दो कॉर्ड हैं, दोनों अगर इक्वल हैं तो दोनों सेंटर पर इक्वल एंगल सबटेंड करेंगे, बनाएंगे। आ रही है बात समझ में? तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सेंटर पर एंगल बनाएंगे। ऐसे ही एंगल नहीं बन जाएगा, इसको ज्वाइन करेंगे। ओके, और इसको इससे ज्वाइन करेंगे। अब देखिए, अब एंगल बन रहा है कि नहीं बन रहा है? एंगल बन रहा है कि नहीं बन रहा है? उसी तरह इसको भी ज्वाइन करेंगे और ओ को इधर रख देते हैं, इसको भी ज्वाइन करेंगे। ओके, तो अब देखेंगे यहां भी एंगल बन रहा है सेंटर पे, ठीक है। तो हमको क्या प्रूफ करना है? प्रूफ क्या करना है? What we have to prove? We have to prove that the angle subtended by these chords at the center will be equal. यानी कि this angle name is angle AOB. Angle AOB will be equal to this angle name COD. Okay, this is clear. What we have to prove? We have to prove angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Okay, how we shall prove? First of all, we shall write here proof. We shall present the proof here. Here you can see there are two triangles, triangle ABO, or you can say triangle AOB and triangle COD. In order to make these angles equal, in order to prove these angles are equal, we shall just prove that these circles, both these triangles are congruent. Both these triangles are congruent. Congruence of triangles we have studied in chapter 7. How can we say that the triangles are congruent? There are some criteria. You have studied SSS. If sides of a triangle are equal to corresponding sides of the other triangle, then both of the triangles are congruent by SSS. Okay, and SAS, you can say SAS, not that SAS. It is SAS, side angle side. Okay, all we have studied about it. Now here we shall use those properties. Here we can write in triangle AOB and triangle COD, we have what we have. What can we say? This line segment is equal to this line segment. I am not saying it. It is said, it is given in the question that equal chords, yani both of these chords are equal. AB is equal to CD. So we can write here that AB equal CD. Why? Why you have written it? Because it is given. Okay. Now see here. This line segment OA, I have already told you about the radius of a circle. What is the radius of the circle? If we join the center and any point on the circle, then the line segment so formed is called radius. So OA will be radius. And what about this line segment OC? This is also a radius. And the radii of the same circle, if we draw thousands of radius in a circle, then all of the radii will be equal. Understand? So OA will be equal to OC. Why? Radii of the same circle. Okay. Similarly, this is also radius OB and this is also radius OD. So radius and radius will be equal. Okay. So OB will be equal to OD. Why? Radii of the same circle. Now we can say that both of these triangles, three sides of this triangle and three sides of this triangle are equal. So these triangles are congruent by S, S, S. Okay. Now we will write therefore triangle AOB congruent triangle COD by SSS. Okay, got it? Afterwards, we have studied about this term CPCT. What is CPCT? C stands for corresponding, P stands for parts, C stands for congruent, and T stands for triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Already you have studied that if two triangles are congruent, then the corresponding parts will be equal. Okay. So here these triangles are congruent. So what are the corresponding parts? A triangle has 6 parts mainly, 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay. We have to prove just this angle, angle AOB and angle COD. We have matlab from only these 2 angles. Okay. Now we can say because these triangles are congruent, therefore hence this angle, angle AOB, will be equal this angle COD. Why? By CPCT. Now we have proved the given situation. Okay. It is very late today. We shall try to prove theorem 10.2 and 10.3 the next day. Okay. Till then, revise the same theorem as many times as possible. Okay. And if you like the video, please share and subscribe to my channel.